Sheriff Report Monkeys, and we are on the Majestic Princess. We're all the way in the back of the ship on deck 16, and this is the wake view bar. Let's see how much of this we can cover in 8 minutes or less. So I'm heading forward now, deck 16. We are going to enter the ship's buffet, known as the marketplace. Those doors open very slowly, but they also close very slowly. And it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, so there's not a lot of people up. You can see a little bit of the food though, maybe. I'll slow down. Remember to move around in the picture. It's 360. You can even look up. You can look down and see the top of my head. Anyway, usually this early in the morning they only have one section open, and that was it. As we get forward, we're going to come to other sections. Hi. The crew is fabulous.
Thank you.
They're very friendly, very nice, always cleaning, always wanting to get you something. This is the bakery. Still in the buffet though. Still in the buffet. That's Jorge. That's where you can get specialty coffees in the morning. He opens up at 6. So I've crossed back over to starboard. More buffet. Lunchtime, dinner time, it's packed in here. But there's plenty of seating. It's very large. Hi. Now we're going to head out. Hi. See World Fresh Marketplace. We're going to head out to the pool area. This is the Midship elevators, and the stairs are right behind us. It's very windy out here, and it's rain. We're approaching the South Pacific. So, they've got 2 pools out here. One's just a little hole. I have seen people get in this water. That's a fountain show, fountain lights. There are hot tubs over there on deck 17, like this one and that one. This is the grill, well, burger and lobster grill. So burgers, hot dogs, free, lobster roll, $15. And then this is the fountain pool bar, because this is the fountain pool. And you can see it's a little rough here. Has been for a lot of the cruise. And then this is the Chopsticks Noodle Bar. Free Asian food. And up there are cabins, so I'm not going to go up there. I'm going to go up one of these stairs. How's that sound? We're going to go to deck 17 and circle around on it a little bit. So, I'm going to take a quick spin through the Hollywood pool area and the Hollywood conservatory. Those 2 places are unique to this ship. I don't think any of the other Princess ships have them. Just checking the time. Remember, 8 minutes or less. Oh, that swung open easily. Too easily. So, here's the Hollywood Conservatory pool and bar, which isn't open this early. Notice it says Hollywood Pool on that life preserver. On most Princess ships, this is the sanctuary, I believe they call it. I'm not sure. And they would charge you to be in here. Of course, it would be outdoors too. You'll notice that roof did not retract. I'll say that on the other side. This is all free to use, including the musical instruments. All free. First come, first serve. And believe me, people get here early, throw their junk out there. There's one left, and it's only 7 o'clock. game tables, more couches. People's plans, more musical instruments, more little cabana areas. We're going to come back near the pool, and I'm going to try to get to the back of the ship. We're in the very front right now. I did want to show you real quick, that roof does not retract. Does not retract. That I know of. It doesn't look like it retracts. I'm going to have to move really fast. And we're probably not going to make it, but in the back is the gym, fitness center, whatever. Movies Under the Stars, they don't fire that up until I think 8 a.m. There's a way in right there. Sometimes they have to close this deck, at least on this cruise, because of the wind. There is a deck up there with a lounge chair, like the sun. The outdoor pools. Very windy. Sorry about the wind noise. And it's wet and slippery out here. I'm trying to move as quick as I can. Here's the seawalk. Look, the rainbow. Double rainbow. See that? Way up there is the greens, the little golf course. I guess these guys are coming on duty now. Hi. Hello. These are individual enclosed ping pong tables. So you can go in there and not lose your balls. Hi. I'm almost out of time. I think I'm going to briefly show you the fitness center and then sign off. And I use this one for storage. Lots of chairs. I mean, we've got like 3,000 people on board, but it's not crowded. Or it doesn't seem crowded. Mask required. It's still that time. And this is the fitness center. So, and they're playing music, so I'm going to run way out here as fast as I can and say, this is Gareth from Port Monkey saying, see you in the next port. Goodbye from the Majestic Princess.